In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Figma, whether you're collaborating with a design team, getting feedback from a client, or just showing your work to a friend. Knowing how to properly share a Figma project is essential. I'll walk you through the basic sharing options so you can quickly and confidently give people access to your work. First, make sure you're logged into your Figma account and that you're on the main dashboard where all your files and projects are listed. From there, locate the project you want to share. This might be in your recent files, under a specific team space, or inside a folder. Click on the project to open it. Once it loads, you'll be inside the project view, where you can see all the files and design pages that belong to that project. At the top right corner of the Figma interface, you'll see a button labeled Share. This button controls who can access the project and what they're allowed to do. Go ahead and click on that Share button. A sharing panel or pop-up will appear, usually showing the current access settings and a link to the project. One simple way to share is by copying the project link. In the Share dialog, look for the option that says Copy Link and click on it. This copies a special URL to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into an email, a chat message, or a project management tool. Before you send it, it's a good idea to quickly check the access level associated with that link. Depending on your team settings, the link might allow people to view only, or it might allow them to edit. Choose the option that matches what you want. For example, viewers for feedback only, or editors if you want full collaboration. If you prefer to control exactly who gets access, you can invite people directly from that same share panel instead of just using the link. In the field that prompts you to add people, type in the email addresses of the collaborators you want to invite. As you add each email, you can usually set their role, such as viewer or editor. When you're happy with the list and their permissions, click on the invite button. Figma will send them an email invitation with a direct link to the project, and they'll be able to open it from their own accounts.